check me out tomorrow, man. I'm gonna be live on YouTube at my XRP. It's going down, man. Got the Cinco de Mayo event. A whole bunch of fast cars gonna be there. I'm gonna be live, y'all. Just make sure y'all tune in and look out, look out. Damn, what you think?
That shit was fire, bro.
That was fire. Hey, man, he said that was fire, man.
That's where they from.
I picked the right lane, y'all. Okay, okay. Hey, where is everybody from today? I seen we got Puerto Rico. Yeah, what's up with it, Tommy Cook? We got Duncanville, Texas in the building. Where y'all at? Thomas Simmons. Canada in the building. We gotta go check him out. Oh, the lane's getting packed now. They done did that whistle. And let everybody know. We got Lake, Macquarie, Australia, Fort Worth. Hey man, you got them right, cause I'm betting 200 on you. I got 200 on you, man. It don't matter, I got 200. Let me see. New Zealand, we got New Zealand in the house. The Netherlands in the house. Detroit, Michigan in the house. Hamilton, New Zealand. Left lane. Hey, look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Check me out. Look out. Look out, look out. Hey, this is my YouTube channel. Y'all check it out. Tell your uncle and everybody. We got Arizona in the building. I got 200 on them. Hey, look out, this is my YouTube channel. It's going down like James Brown. Make sure you tell everybody. Do I got penis in the car? I think I got some in the car. She ain't worried. Let me see some. Okay, we got this challenge right here. Tomorrow or today? Okay, today then. I ain't got black. I got a gray. Yeah, I think I'm parked right there, so I'm gonna be able to get it. Just make sure you don't leave. I don't know when you leave. Okay, bet, me too. And if I don't, I'll see you. Uh-oh, look, there goes somebody else new. Look out, you on my YouTube channel. It's going down. Oh, you ain't trying to go down like James? Okay. She ain't trying to go down like James Brown, y'all. There you go. You need one too? Bet. Look out, they trying to get down. Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm okay. Thank you.
Edward Navares. Okay.
Hey, that's where they from.
I already didn't ask them. They still saying that shit. I know where everybody from. I got people in New Zealand, the Netherlands, Miami, Oak Cliff, Mesquite. Where
South
else
Carolina?
I got South Carolina, North Carolina,
Everywhere.
Jacksonville, Janesville, Wisconsin.
Hey. That's where he from.
Oh, that is?
He from Janesville, Wisconsin.
For real?
Yeah.
Hey, man, you know him, man?
Probably not, but hey, what's up?
Hey, man. How the hell somebody, I got people in Canada. Man, how the hell I'm standing by somebody from Janesville,
we got the bikes
Wisconsin, and he right here. That's player, right? Hey, he said he do know you, man. Hey, he said he went to school with you.
Hey, no shit.
Yeah. Hey, he went to school with you. Damn. I got somebody from Korea on here. They in Korea.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
Worldwide.
Damn, he turned around. What the fuck? I ain't even see that. See, he playing too much. Trying to do something different. Oh. Hey. Right lane for the win. Hey, that's crazy. Hey, his name Marty.
His name Marty?
Yeah, Marty.
Marty.
Yeah, he said he went to school with you.
I can't remember.
You think you remember?
I'm a little fucking gone right now, so
Yeah,
man.
yeah. Hey, but hey, you know he from over there. He said he went to school with you. He remember you.
Oh, yeah.
He remember you. Damn, that's crazy, man.
That's wild.
Yeah, that is wild. Hey, and you related to P. Diddy. Man, hey.
Did you go to Germantown?
Did you go to Germantown? Ask me, did he go to Germantown?
That's where I went.
That's where he went. Let me see. I'm waiting on him to respond. Oh, we got this LT1. He back up here, y'all.